What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to TJ Chapman Auto. Today we have this 2004 Lexus GX470 with a complete off-road build. So we're gonna go ahead and start our turntable here. We're gonna show you guys every little thing that we find. So as you can see, we have some custom fabricated side skirts and side steps as well to help you get in and out of the car more easily. We have some red, black Rhino off-road wheels with some Falken AT off-road tires as well. I believe these are 285 70R17 tires, so massive off-road tires that can get you anywhere you need to go. If you're stuck, you'll no longer be stuck with these tires. We see some aftermarket rain guards as well, some 5% window tint in the rear window and rear windows as well. I think we're at 25% in the front. We have some, let's go ahead and pause our turntable. We have some Dobinson's aftermarket coil spring here in blue. Relentless Fabrication aftermarket custom front bumper. These are all made to order and custom to whatever you would like. We have some aftermarket fog lights. They say sport in the center as well. We have some Baja designs, 30-inch LED bar as well. Here we have our aftermarket winch kit as well. So in case you ever need to help someone out that is stuck in the mud, you would be that guy to get him out. We have some aftermarket as well, adjustable control arms. We have an ARB Metal Skidplate, and that's just for the exterior. So walking into the interior, there's more surprises. Let's go ahead and grab our key. Once again, our custom fab side step, helping you get in and out of this Lexus. And the great thing about this build is that some factory options were still kept, such as the heated seats and your power sunroof, and all of these still function fantastically. So go ahead and close our door here. As you can see here, we have your switches for all your aftermarket lights, so you can turn on the fog lights, your light cubes, and you can turn each one of them on individually or all together. You have power mirrors, you have your rear defroster, you have your AC 115 volt power adapter as well. Here in the steering wheel, you'll find your volume controls, your cruise control settings right next to it, and your push to talk. So let's go ahead and start up this car. Classic Lexus technology. The steering wheel will come up and adjust to you as you insert the key in. At the fuel pump prime, and cold starting this car. So we will have our TPMS light flashing because the tires were purposely dropped to a lower PSI in order to grip a little better, but upon customer request, we can either up them or lower them. That is all to the customer, but just so you know, all the TPMS sensors are functioning correctly. Once again, 153,000 miles, and this SUV holds a clean UTI title once again, which is great. So, previous owner installed an aftermarket Audi style head unit that is Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatible as well. You are able to control all your climate settings through here as well, and these work fantastically. So if by chance you don't want to use this, you can also just use your actual display and it will turn up or down your temperature. So let's go ahead and push it down, and as you can see, it's responding. We just shut it off, so let's go ahead and turn it back on, and boom, let's go ahead and go up to it, turn it back on, and then turn up our temperature, turn it down, or turn our fans higher or lower. As you can see, we dropped the temperature quite a bit, and it's awesome that we still kept the factory options here on the side while still being able to use this very responsive display. Here on top, you'll find your clock and your outside temperatures, which you can adjust here on top. Wiper, windshield washer controls, headlight controls here to the left. Your gear shifter, which has an aftermarket shift knob, slapping it in and out of drive. Your stock e-brake. We love that it's an actual pull e-brake rather than a little button. Your four-wheel drive settings, so low, neutral, and high. Once again, heated seats, your differential lock, your 12-volt ladder adapter right there, and you were then able to change your air suspension from comfort to sport to normal, and you can then adjust your height control up or down. Hill descent assist. Once again, our power sunroof here on top of us. Our fresh leather heated seats, let's not forget about that. And let's go ahead and turn all these lights on. Turn on our headlights, and then turn all of these lights on, and they're already all on. to show you guys how fantastic this looks once it's all working. Okay, so we have our normal headlights running for the time being. Let's go ahead and turn all the other lights on. Turn our fog lights on and turn 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Turn all 7 of them on and take a look at this. You cannot tell me this doesn't look awesome. This is a super incredible, really clean off-road build GX470. As you can see, we have our 2 light cubes on each side. We have our 30-inch LED light bar, and it lights up all the way forward. You will never lose sight of the road with these lights, that's for sure. All right. Once again, let's take a better look at our interior here. Power seats. Ooh, let's go ahead and unlock it really quickly. There we go. All right, taking a look at our rear seats here. You can see that every single seat is in perfect condition. We have our little leather with wood grain match here. Another handlebar to help you get in and out of the vehicle. Our step. Here you're greeted with some rear climate controls, and the best part about it, they still kept the rear entertainment system. And it still works, which is really rare to see in these Lexus. Is really awesome as well. You can adjust your temperature still, but you are then able to adjust your volume for your headphones, plug in your headphones directly, and you are then able to plug in an external device and watch whatever movie you would like to watch or whatever show you'd like to watch. Taking a look at our cabin, you can see it gives the car a much more modern look. It makes the car look a lot better. This MMI looks fantastic. The head unit is really responsive, works great. Our clock is synced. Everything else is great. Let's take a look at our trunk, show you guys all the space we have. All right, so super spacious trunk as it is. We have almost like a table is what I would call this. We have some netting on top to keep a few extra items if you'd like. We have some extra storage there, storage here, storage there, storage here, storage there. Loads and loads of storage all over this SUV, and it's packed with capability. We have a reverse camera as well. Let's go ahead and take a look at that. Our tow hitch here with, once again, a custom fabbed bar to support it on the rear bumper. We can see our Dobinson springs in the rear. And let's go ahead and just turn on the reverse camera, because it is a higher quality reverse camera than most newer cars will have. So putting in reverse, you will see that is really fantastic quality. You can adjust it to PAL, NTSC, or higher quality 720p if you'd like. Let's go ahead and slap it back in park and exit this car. Turn off all of our lights individually, because it is really cool to press each button individually. And grab our key. By the way, factory key is still in perfect condition. And there you have it, guys. That's our 2004 Lexus GX470. Clean title, 153,000 miles. Super clean off-road build. Ready for an adventurous person. And this car packs a punch. Loads of power with a 4-liter V8, naturally aspirated. Super reliable as it is made by Toyota. And ready for its next owner. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.